The J&M Remodel team kept the aesthetics of this basement renovation light and bright, considering the only natural light source was a single egress window. The soft gray paint offered just enough pigment to make the white trim pop while lending a clean and bright feel. They added numerous can lights throughout the ceiling to brighten the space. The homeowners could see the quality and attention to detail throughout the space, primarily in the trim work and perfectly flush set storage cabinets. The remodeling team set floating flooring beautifully and took additional thought and planning to ensure the different color variations of the flooring flowed together naturally.